Hey everyone, welcome back to Consumer Picks. Today, we're diving into an exciting drone battle between two of DJI's most popular entry-level models, the DJI Flip vs. Mini 3. These drones are designed for beginners, hobbyists, and content creators, and with just a $20 price difference, choosing between them can be tricky.
Choices upon choices.
In this video, we'll break down battery life, camera quality, obstacle avoidance, and more to help you make the best decision. And before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a tech comparison. Plus, check out the links in the description for the best deals on these drones. Now let's get into it. Both drones are compact and foldable, but they fold in different ways. The Mini 3 folds inward, making it longer but slimmer when stored, while the Flip folds flatter, thanks to its integrated propeller guards, making it more compact when packed. This difference might matter if you frequently travel with your drone. If you need something that fits into a tight space, the Flip might be more convenient, whereas the Mini 3's traditional fold might be more durable over time. Battery life is one of the biggest factors when choosing a drone. The Mini 3 lasts up to 38 minutes with its standard battery and a whopping 51 minutes with the extended battery, whereas the Flip maxes out at 31 minutes, with no option for extended batteries. If long flight sessions are a priority, the Mini 3 is the clear winner. However, keep in mind that using the 51-minute battery on the Mini 3 makes it heavier than 249 grams, meaning you must register it with the FAA. The Flip's battery is fixed at 31 minutes, so you never need to worry about exceeding the weight limit. For pure flight time, the Mini 3 dominates, but if you want to avoid registration hassles, the Flip might be the better pick. Both drones weigh 249 grams, meaning that for recreational pilots, they don't require FAA registration. However, for commercial pilots, there's a difference. The Mini 3 supports remote ID if using the 51-minute battery, meaning it can be flown for commercial work, while the Flip does not support remote ID, meaning it cannot be used for professional purposes under FAA regulations.
No sadness, no sadness, huh?
If you plan to monetize your drone flying for real estate photography, YouTube content, or commercial work, then the Mini 3 is the better choice. Both drones include automated flight paths, such as circular and corkscrew orbits, and pullback shots, and vertical reveals. However, the Flip takes the lead here because it has a physical button on the drone that lets you start automated shots without using the remote. It also features Follow Me tracking, which the Mini 3 lacks. If you want easier automation and hands-free tracking, the Flip is the better option. This category isn't even close. The Flip has forward and downward obstacle sensors, plus integrated propeller guards, whereas the Mini 3 only has downward sensors, meaning it doesn't detect obstacles in front of it. If you're a beginner who wants to avoid crashes, the Flip's obstacle avoidance system is a game changer. Both drones are rated for level 5 wind resistance, meaning they can handle winds up to 24 miles per hour. However, for stronger level 6 winds, you'd need to upgrade to a DJI Air 3 or Mavic 3 Pro. For most users, both will perform equally well in moderate wind conditions. Here's where things get really interesting. The Mini 3 and Flip share the same 24mm f1.7 camera lens, but they handle video and photos differently. The Mini 3 is the best choice for vertical video, thanks to its gimbal that rotates 90 degrees, allowing for full-resolution 4K vertical recording. However, the Flip has an advantage in overall video and photo quality. It records 4K at 60 FPS HDR with 10-bit color, compared to the Mini 3's 4K at 30 FPS with 8-bit color, and it supports 48 megapixel RAW photos, while the Mini 3 maxes out at 12 megapixels. So, while the Mini 3 is better for vertical content, the Flip wins overall for video quality. The Mini 3 costs $419 with the RCN1 or $549 with the RC2, whereas the Flip costs $439 with the RCN1 or $639 with the RC2. Since the Mini 3 is more affordable, it wins on price.
Nice.
So, which drone is better for you? Here's the breakdown. Buy the DJI Flip if you want better camera quality, 4K 60 HDR, 10-bit color, 48-megapixel photos, obstacle avoidance for safer flying, follow-me tracking and better automation, and an easier-to-use design with physical buttons for quick shots. Buy the DJI Mini 3 if you need the longest battery life, up to 51 minutes with an extended pack. Plan to fly commercially, it supports remote ID, want the best vertical video quality, and are looking for a more budget-friendly option. In the end, the DJI Flip wins overall, taking 4 categories compared to the Mini 3's 3. It's the better drone for casual flyers, content creators, and anyone who values an improved camera and obstacle avoidance. However, if you need maximum flight time or plan to fly commercially, the Mini 3 is the better choice. Which one would you choose? Let us know in the comments. And if this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more expert drone comparisons. Plus, check out the links in the description for the latest deals. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.